Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, ventilated front seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.